Good morning, dear student. Jai Gurudev to you all. Student, today we will do chapter reading of chapter 7, Flower Kingdom. To most humans, flowers are seen as objects to decorate homes, gardens, bodies, and more. However, flowers have a much more important purpose than decoration. प्यारे बच्चों, ज़्यादातर इंसान जो ह्यूमन बीइंग होते हैं उनका ये मानना होता है कि फ्लावर का यूज़ हम डेकोरेशन के लिए करते हैं, घर को सजाने के लिए, गार्डन में किसी भी पर्सन को डेकोरेट करने के लिए फ्लावर का यूज़ किया जाता है। मगर बच्चों, फ्लावर का इससे भी कई ज़्यादा यूजेस हैं। Flowers are the part of plants that make seeds which in turn make new plant. The student, flowers play crucial role in production of seeds and formation of tree. We can say that it is very difficult to grow tree in absence of flowers. Did you know? Flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell in order to attract bees, flies, moths, humming birds, and many other tiny insects that can sit on them easily. Student, flowers are found in beautiful colors. For example, the color of rose are red, pink, yellow, orange, etc. You have seen different color hibiscus. You have seen different color canary flowers, sunflower, etc. These beautiful colors of flower, dear student, and its smell help flower to attract the insect, birds, bees, etc., which help them in pollination. Pollination, dear student, it is a process by which pollen grains are transferred from male flower to the female flower, and it helps in the production of the seeds. So we can say that flowers are colorful part of the plant. They attract insects and which help in pollination of male reproductive parts. Now start reading. The fact about flowers is that without them we would have no continuous supply of food, medicine, and other necessary things. They are very important for textile industries as several dyes are made from them. Dear student, flowers provide us food because they help in production of trees. They provide us medicine and many other things. Dear student, the color of flowers are used in textile industries for coloring the clothes. बच्चों, फ्लावर का यूज़ हम हर जगह करते हैं. ऐसा फूड इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. आपने देखा होगा कॉलीफ्लावर्स, ब्रोकली, these are different type of the flowers that we use as a food. Flowers are used as medicine also. Okay. Dear student, the color of flowers are used as dye for coloring the cloth. So we can say that flowers are very important. Stretch a while. Ask your friend, parents, browse on net, or do anything to find out what you call the study of growing flowering plant. Okay, dear student, through net it is your today's activity. You search study of flowering. In which branch of science we will study growing of flowering plant. आप यहाँ से मत सोचिए, आप नेट से या डिक्शनरी से सर्च करेंगे. ये मे भी करेक्ट हो सकता है, मे भी रॉन्ग हो सकता है, तो आप इस पर नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि ये एक ओल्ड बुक है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, आज आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नेट से सर्च करेंगे और हम लाइव क्लास में से डिस्कस करेंगे आपसे. नेक्स्ट, पर्सन हु सेल फ्लावर. You find out the word for a person which we use them who are selling flowers. Now start reading. Flowers grow from buds. Buds are swollen pods that appear at the tip of the stems. They bloom gradually and the petals spread out and turn into the flower. See dear student, this is a bud. They grow gradually and their petal part are spread and they turn into the flowers. On the basis of blooming season, flowers are divided in 4 categories. First, flowers like sunflower, daffodils and lily bloom in spring season. See dear student, these are the images of different type of the flowers which bloom in spring season. Sunflower, daffodil and lily. Next, flowers like zinnia, marigold and rose. They are bloom in autumn season. Flowers like forget me not, orchid and tulip bloom in winter. See, this is the image or a picture of forget me not flower. This one is image of orchid flowers and this one is image of tulip flowers. Flowers like roses, sunflower, dahlia bloom in summer season. See, this one is rose, sunflower and dahlia. So dear student, from these images we can conclude that flower can be classified on the basis of the season in which they are grown. Four major category of flower on the basis of blooming season. First, spring season flower, sunflower, daffodils and lily. Autumn season flowers, zinnia, marigold, rose. Winter season flower, forget-me-not, orchid, tulip, rose, sunflower, dahlia are summer season flowers. Now student, start reading parts of flower. Flowers help plants to produce more of their kind. Means plants are produced from flowers. Okay, means they help in reproduction of plant. They make new seeds through a process called reproduction. Student, the process by which flower form their seed, it is known as reproduction. The petal is bright, colorful part of a flower. See, these red parts are petal. They are brightly colored because they attract insects, birds, etc. for pollination. Little green leaves that protect flowered birds are called sepals. See dear student, these are little leaves which is known as the sepal, and their work to protect the birds and help them to transform in the form of the flowers. They also help in photosynthesis, dear student. Stamen is the male part of flower and it is made up of filament, anther. Okay, see dear student, this is filament and it is stamen and it is made up of two parts. This part of flower, dear student, it is known as the anther and it is known as the filament. Dear student, anther produce pollen grains. See, in this part there are many dot like structure are present which is known as the pollen grain. Pistil, see this one is a pistil and it is the female part of the flower. It is made up of the three part. This part is stigma, this one is style and this one is ovary or parts. To make fruit, pollens from one flower are carried to the another flower by wind, water or by small insects. The colorful petals attract insects. These insects collect pollen grain from stamen as food. Then they transfer this pollen to the pistil of the another flowers to which they go. This process is called pollination. It helps to produce the seeds. Some flowers also dry up and grow into the fruits. All this continues while sepal prevent the petal from falling off. Dear student, again I am repeating. See, there are four major part of the flower. The colorful part of the flower, it is a petal and its work to attract insect, birds, etc. for pollination. This green part, dear student, it is a sepal and its main function to protect the bird and it also help in photosynthesis. Third part, dear student, it is a stamen. It is a male reproductive part of the flowers and it help It carry pollen grains, which is a male reproductive parts. It is made up of two parts. One is anther and other one is filament. Next part is this pistil. It is made up of three parts, that is the stigma, style and ovary.